Beginners don't want you to know that. Do at home spending very little. In a blender, start by adding half cup of iced milk. Then add a strand of oil until it begins to thicken. As soon as it thickens, just unprint and turn off the blender. Add 2 cloves of garlic, a little black pepper, a little salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard, cover and let it beat in very well. As soon as it heats, our garlic and mustard mayonnaise is ready. Look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, easy and a delicious mayonnaise. And the best of all, is spending very little and you do it in your home. When you go order that snack, you don't have to order mayonnaise anymore. Do it yourself and eat at ease. Remembering that the mayonnaise lasts in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days. After that time, it's not indicated to ingest. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.